So here's how you can join the Youngla affiliate program. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So the first thing you're going to do is open up any browser in your system. After that, we will open the Youngla page, which I have already opened. Here in the top right corner, click on the account icon. If you have already created an account on your Youngla, then log in. Otherwise, create a Youngla account. Then we will create the Youngla account. After that, we will click on the Create One option below. Then, we will here enter the first name. After that, we will here enter the last name. Then, we will enter our email. After that, we will enter our password and click on Create My Account option. Then, our Youngla account will be created. After that, we will go to the Youngla affiliate dashboard page. Then, we will click on the Login option below. After that, we will enter our email. And then we will enter our password and click on the Login option below. After that, our Youngla affiliate dashboard page will open. In this way, we can join the Youngla affiliate program.